Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class we will learn about what is SSH command. So in Linux. So for this you have to open the terminal in the Linux operating system. So for this you have to know your host name, like what's your IP address and what is your username. So what is your username? So first of all you have to write hostname -i. Then you'll get the IP address of your system and type whom am I. Then you'll get the username of your system. So then, so I have written SSH. So what is SSH? So SSH is a secure shell. So it is used to connect to the remote server. It is used to connect to the remote server. So how can you connect it? So first of all, I have used SSH username and the IP address. So its connection failed. So connection failed. So why it's failed? So before using this command, you have to uh, install some systematic status SSH. So for this, so I have used sudo systematic status SSH, but still it is not worked. And I refer the documentation and I have to install this sudo apt install open SSH client and open SSH server. So after installing this thing, you can use the SSH command. So you have to type sudo apt install open SSH hyphen client open SSH hyphen server. Then all the packages, dependencies, and state information will be installed. All these things will be installed here. And after that, you have to write sudo systematic mcl start SSH or sudo systematic enable SSHD. So it will enable the SSHD. That's it. So after that, then you can write SSH your username. See here, SSH your username at the rate 127.01.1.1. So this is my IP address. So then it will be connected to the remote server. It will be connected to the remote server. So you can see the you can see it is connected and you can see the required documentation, management support, and so zero updates can be applied immediately. So you can see all these things. So this is how you can connect to the remote server using SSH commands. So and if you want to see the public and private keys, you have to like how it is like how you when you're transferring the files using SSH or SCP. So while transferring your files using SSH or what SCP. So then these files will be encrypted. These files will be encrypted. How it will be encrypted? CS. So these keys are and these are the keys. How can you generate? By using SSH hyphen keysn. So SSH hyphen keysn. So I will explain you what is SSH. So here you can type what is the use of SSH hyphen keysn. Say. So SSH keysn is a tool used for generating public and private SSH keys. These keys are used for authentication between two computers over a network. So when you transferring a file between two systems, then when you can transfer the file between two systems through internet, so those files will be encrypted by using these public and private keys. The use of SSH keys provides a more secure way of authentication than the traditional method of using the password. These keys generated using SSH keys are used by using SSH protocol to authenticate the user without the need for password. It is commonly used for logging into a remote system, executing commands remotely, and transferring files securely. So to transfer files securely, it is commonly used for establishing secure connections between two computers. So this is what we can use the SSH keys and commands. So I hope you understand. So here, so how can we transfer the files? How can we transfer the files? So see here, I have transferred using SCP file one .txt. So what I have to like what I have done. So first of all, I have checked the ls. So what are the files which are present in here? So I have seen there is documents and desktop. So first of all, I go into the desktop in ls. I go to the desktop and do ls. I have shown two folders, hello world and start folders. And I have had gone to the hello world also. So in the hello world, I have done again ls. So here I found some files, file1.txt and file2.txt. So I want to transfer this file1.txt to the documents. So how can I transfer it? By using SCP commands. So what is SCP? Secure copy. SCP means secure copy. So I want to transfer file1.txt by using this username and IP address to the documents, but I did not give the path correctly. So it's saying the permission denied. It's saying permission denied because I did not enter the path correctly. So after that, I have written again SCP file1.txt and username at the rate of IP address, and here I have written home slash this is my username, and after that I have gone to the documents and I have transferred the file1.txt. So this is how we have to write this. So in this way we have to write the path. So not like this. In this way we have to write the path. So then I have to enter the password, and then file1.txt has successfully transferred to the documents. So how can I check whether it is transferred or not? So I have gone to the cd space dot dot and cd space dot dot. So it will go to the, then I will go to the main system, and here I will do cd documents. Then I can go to the documents now and check whether the file1.txt came to here or not. Then I'll press ls. See here, I got file1.txt. File1.txt. So this is how you can transfer the files using SCP and SSH commands. So that's it, friends. I hope you understand what is SSH and SCP commands in Linux. How can you transfer files using the IP address and your username? So if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.